Welcome to today's daily market dissection. The purpose of this educational video is to point out where the rules align with the indicators to produce a qualified trade. Please note that these are hypothetical examples and were not taken live, and as such, they do not account for market conditions such as slippage or orders not being filled. They are for educational purposes to help you fast track your trading and improve your ability to identify our qualified trade setups. Hello and welcome to the Daily Market Dissection for Friday, April 13th, 2018. Today's market is the NQ. A bit of a slower day today, but still quite a few trades. So it will be moving quickly, but if you want to pause the video and compare the timestamps with your own charts, the times are in Eastern Standard Time. Our first trade of the day is a momentum long at 931, heading right into the high, but our purple line is outside of its neutral zone. And this one just hits profit target. Then we have another momentum heading into the high. Again, our purple line is outside of the neutral zone. This one just squeaks out 6 ticks. Then we have a momentum long, and this one does get stopped out for our 15 tick stop. Then we have a continuation short at 950. This one does hit profit target with the runner getting stopped out at break even. Then we have another momentum short. This one also just hitting profit target, and we can't enter this next momentum trade because it is heading right into the 200 EMA. And then we head into our 10 a.m. news, so we'll sit out from 9:55 to 10:05, avoiding this momentum. We do miss a continuation here, but we do avoid a couple losing trades as well. Then at the tail end of news at 10:06, we do have a continuation short, a little bit of a head fake, we get stopped out. Then we can hop on the single T a few bars later at 10:08 to help recoup some of that stop. Nice 17 bar run, no wicks along the way. Then we have a continuation short for profit target plus a tick with the runner by trailing at the high of bar 6. Then we have a surf long here. This one does grab profit target and an extra tick, but we do get stopped out by this tail here on bar 11. And a little bit of a short cycling period, and we have a continuation short at 1024 for profit target. And this momentum lets us get back in and take part in the rest of the run. Very nice run here. After the close of bar 10, we will widen to the green DPI with our runner and eventually get stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a continuation short at 1028 for profit target and a breakout short at 1031 for profit target plus a couple extra ticks. Then we have a single T long, bit of a choppy area here, not really a strongly qualified single T, but it is qualified nonetheless, and it does hit profit target. Then we have a momentum long that also hits profit target, followed by another single T that hits profit target, and the runner grabs an extra tick by trailing at the low of the previous bar after the close of bar 5. We do have to pass on this continuation here, even though it was a winning one, but it is headed right into the 200 EMA. Then we have a momentum long that just hits profit target at 1049, followed by a continuation short. Very nice run here, 22 bars. We'll ride over this wick on bar 13, regardless if we're trailing at the high of the bar or the green DPI price. We'll eventually get stopped out by this turn bar. We have a single T short, a little bit of a chop here as we meet some resistance into the low. This one does catch a full stop. Then we have a surf long, similar picture to the earlier surf. It does hit profit target and grabs an extra tick with the runner, and we are stopped out by our wick on bar 9. Then we have a momentum long off the 200 for a quick profit target, plus a single T long at 1123. Our entry is about 4 or 5 ticks past the 200, so we're good there for a quick 12 bar run. Then we have a continuation long that does just hit profit target, followed by a single T long that also hits profit target. Then we have a continuation short at 1154 for profit target, and right after we widen to the green DPI, we will get stopped out, but we do grab a couple extra ticks with the runner. Then we have a momentum long at noon. This does hit profit target and grabs a couple extra ticks with the runner as well. We have a single T short at 1211 for profit target, followed by a momentum long at 1221 for a quick profit target. A single T, a nice little 10 bar run after the close of bar 8 will widen to the red DPI price and eventually get stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a single T long that does get stopped out for our full stop. Then we have a momentum short off the 200 for a quick profit target. Then we have a continuation long at 1257 that does grab an extra tick with the runner, followed by a continuation for profit target at 1308. Then a single T long at 1315 for profit target, followed by a momentum at 1321 for profit target. Then we have a momentum long. This one does get stopped out and only goes 4 ticks. before reversing. We have a momentum long at 1340 that does hit profit target, followed by a continuation long at 1352 that also hits profit target. We have a single T long that does get stopped out, but we can adjust our stop from 22 to 18 ticks. And we can do the same with this continuation as well, since the market moves 4 ticks in our favor before getting stopped out. We have a continuation short at 1417 past the 200, but it does hit profit target, followed by a single T for profit target, and then a continuation for profit target. We do avoid this little head fake here because our blue line does not dip below the purple, but we can hop in on this continuation at 1430 for profit target plus 5 extra ticks with the runner by trailing at the high of the previous bar here. Then we have a momentum short at 1440 for profit target plus a tick with the runner. Then we have a momentum short here at 1449. After the close of bar 10, we widen to the green DPI price, which rides over this large wick here on bar 11. Then we have a single T, the trade of the day here at 1455. After the close of bar 7, we widen to the green DPI price, which lets us ride over all these tall wicks here along the way, and we'll eventually get stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a surf long here at 1511 for a quick profit target plus a tick. Then we have 3 momentum shorts in a row in the same run. The first 2 for profit target, and the third one grabs a couple extra ticks by widening to the DPI price after the close of bar 23. Then we have another surf long for profit target, followed by a continuation, little bit of a head fake there. Our blue line just crosses the purple there for a full stop, but we have a continuation immediately after for a quick profit target, followed by a single T for profit target. This momentum, unfortunately, triggers right before the market reverses for our 15 tick stop. We do get a dot trend short here at 1534 for profit target. Do have to pass on this continuation as well since the entry is right under the 200. Little bit of chop here wrapped around the 200 before deciding to go long on this continuation at 1550. And we do grab a couple extra ticks with the runner by trailing at the low of bar 7. And we can hop back in on this momentum to hit our profit target plus 5 extra ticks with the runner. And finally, the divergence reversal in about the last 6 minutes of the day, quick little 9-bar run. And that is all of our qualified trades for the day.